This is the Home Remodeling Program at Pioneer Career and Technology Center. The Home Remodeling Program prepares you for immediate employment in high-demand jobs after high school, including construction, building supply, union apprenticeships, and more. Or start your own business and be your own boss. In home remodeling, you'll gain hands-on skills working outside on real remodeling projects and home additions in surrounding communities. Learn framing, roofing, finishing, and wiring skills. Graduate with NCCER and OSHA credentials and earn college credits through Columbus State and Cuyahoga Community College. Get hands-on experience now and get hired after school in the career of your dreams.
Hello, my name is Josh Barnett. I'm the home remodeling instructor here at Pioneer. I have been in the home remodeling field for over 25 years, working in businesses, new construction, and residential home. Here in home remodeling, we focus on interior finishing ranging from demolition, electric, plumbing, drywall, flooring, trim, and tile installation. You will obtain your OSHA 10 credential and your NCCER 12 points to help with graduation. We work closely with new construction and interior finishing to help with your senior job placement or job after graduation.
Hi, my name is Elise Price. I am in home remodeling. Home remodeling is a 2-year program where you earn 2 certifications. There is your OSHA 10 and your NCCER. So after I graduate, I would like to finish college and one day own my own construction business. This is a trade training program where you can learn skills for a lifetime. You get to learn how to do framing, roofing, side installation. You also get to learn how to do electrical wiring, drywall finish, power tool use, and estimation plus teamwork. Home remodeling has given me the chance to boost and give me the advantage that I would need in my life to help me do what I love to do.
Take a tour of Pioneer anytime online or apply today at gotopioneer.com.